If you're trying to find or follow a walking trail that doesn't clearly appear on Google Maps, there are still ways to trace it using available map tools. Many hiking paths, park trails, and informal walkways are not fully labeled, but they can often be identified using satellite imagery and mapping features. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for the general area where the trail is located. This could be a park, forest, mountain area, or open public space. Once the map loads, switch to Satellite View using the Layers button. This view is important because it shows real terrain, vegetation, and ground surfaces instead of simplified road maps. Zoom in closely on the area. Look for faint lines, narrow paths, or cleared routes that may indicate walking trails. These are often visible, even if they are not officially labeled as paths. If the trail connects to a road or a known entry point, you can use that as your starting location. You can also drop a pin by right-clicking on the map to mark potential trailheads. For areas where Street View is available, drag the Pegman icon onto nearby roads. This can help you visually confirm entrances, signage, or walkable access points leading into the trail. If you want to trace the route more precisely, you can use the Measured Distance tool. By clicking along the suspected path, you can manually map out how the trail moves through the area and estimate its distance. In some cases, you can also recreate the trail more accurately using Google My Maps by drawing a custom line over the path you identify. Keep in mind that not all walking trails are officially mapped, especially in rural or undeveloped areas. Some may be temporary, informal, or maintained locally without full digital mapping. Because of this, combining Satellite View, Street View, and manual tracing gives you the best chance of accurately identifying missing trails. And that's how you trace missing walking trails using Google Maps. Switch to Satellite View, zoom in for path details, use pins and distance tools, and manually map out the trail when it is not fully labeled.